Hello, my name is Arnold Muscat from College Africa Group, and I'd like to discuss the fundamentals of our Excel dashboard course and the process with dashboarding. Here are our contact details. Well, what is a dashboard? Some definitions of dashboards and reports. Dashboard is an important tool for any executive. It helps keep you on top of vital statistics and KPIs. Dashboards will help you visualize and track trends on every level of your business and to align activities with key goals. Dashboards are designed to help us monitor what's going on at a glance. To give people a means to rapidly monitor what's going on, dashboards must be designed in particular ways to take advantage of the strengths of visual perception and cognition and to work around or augment their weaknesses. Dashboards allow managers to step back from the details and see the key trends and relationships that drive their companies. Excel is an excellent tool for creating these reports. A dashboard is a visual display of the most important information needed to achieve one or more objectives, which fits entirely on a single computer screen so it can be monitored at a glance. Do not clutter up your dashboard. A report is constructed for a clear purpose and for a particular audience. Specific evidence and information are presented, analyzed, and applied. The dashboard design process. The purpose, the design, retrieve data, structure, data crunch, graphical design, formats, and present. The purpose. Establish who requested the dashboard to be created and what information do they want. Determine who the audience of the dashboard will be. Design. Create a rough sketch of the design. If you don't create a mock-up, you will never design a decent dashboard. Retrieve the data. Know where you're getting your data from and see what is useful, practical, and which data is useless. Do not clutter up your dashboard with nice-to-know statements. Structure. Phrase where the Excel spreadsheet is structured. Create separate tabs for the data, calculations, and output. Data crunch. Crunch the numbers and perform analysis on the calculation sheet by using Excel formulas and tools. Graphical design. Create a visual representation of the findings through Excel charts. Formats. Remove clutter and format numbers effectively so that users can understand the information and what they represent without any confusion. Avoid a lot of coloring. Present. Present the dashboard to the audience and obtain feedback. Restart the process after obtaining feedback to improve the dashboard quality. Here's the data that we use in our Excel dashboard one-day dynamic course. As you can see, it's standard data you'd find in most companies. Sales by month, type of products, some sort of expenses, profit, new leads generated, and other related data to website, how long the people on the website, etc., refunds, how many articles you wrote. And we try and turn this into a decent dynamic dashboard where we can actually analyze the data quite quickly by using a drop down, which I'll show you shortly in the actual Excel itself, and automatically all this information would be interrogated through the various calculation sheets. The calculation sheet is actually the brains of the whole outfit, and this is where you really have to design carefully to work out how you're going to calculate the data, what formulas and features do you know and can use to create the actual dashboards themselves. I've actually gone into the actual spreadsheet itself, and here is the data that we're going to interrogate, and we've made a new calculation tab or sheet, and here's where we do all the calculations. And this is the heart of the whole dashboard, and then actually created the actual dashboard itself, which is quite dynamic. For example, this is all the data for the month of December, and if we go and change the month to say September, you'll notice that everything automatically updates. And that is the beauty of Excel and using a dynamic dashboard. Then there's some other advanced dashboard examples which will come in on later courses, and how to make charts that don't exist in the actual main menu, like a speedo chart. Start learning how to make a dashboard. Reasons to learn Excel dashboards. Create dynamic Excel solutions. Analyze vast amounts of data. Share everyone your management skills. Save lots of time. Identify KPI and act quickly. Increase productivity. And most importantly, discover your potential. Thank you. Arnold Muscat from College Africa Group.